What's good, YouTube? It's your boy STINO RWD. We on the way to get these coilovers put on. Shout out to MAXpeedingRODS Racing Coilovers. I'm gonna show y'all the box in a few. But I also got this box right here, multitasking. I hope this camera don't fall. I'm trying to drive as still as possible. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, tap man with the tap man. You feel me? I'm trying to show y'all right here what I'm doing. Or what I got right here. I'm trying to rip this open. Ooh! That thing's look good. I forgot I got black too. Glad I got black and not silver. Like I'm multitasking. I got the maps right here. I'm trying to open this. I'm trying to get this box right here. Yeah. Dang, I gotta stop talking and just open this damn shit. Hold on. Give me a second, y'all. Hawk smash. There we go. I don't know if y'all can see that right there. But yes, we have spacers. Woo! We do indeed have wheel spacers. Woo! Yes, sir. Y'all know what I'm about to do with these. Put them on my car. Got the coilovers going in right now. On the way to the shop right now. Yeah. About to change the look of my car. I'm going for like a beefy look. Cause, okay, so I'm just go ahead and talk to y'all real quick. Since I've shown y'all that. And once again, shout out to MAXpeedingRODS and coilovers. It's there, hot in the cut. And man, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all more when I get there. Let me talk y'all real quick. I'm going for, cause I got the coilovers, right? Cool. Once again, shout out to them. Got the coilovers, and I don't like, me personally, I don't like the look of where a car is sitting low and the wheel is tucked. I hate that look. I really don't like it at all. So I like a beefy, aggressive look. You feel me? I'm gonna make the tires poke out a little bit. By the way, those spacers are 25 millimeters, so roughly about an inch or so. So I'm gonna make it poke out just a little bit, and yeah, it's gonna look beefy. It's gonna look chunky. Yeah, man, real chunky. Yeah, man. But I was doing research on spacers, and they're not really good for your car. Well, they're good for your car, but then they're not good for your car when it comes to like long term. So I'm not really gonna have these on my car for that long at all. Probably 6 months to a year max, because really 6 months. By this summer, I'm trying to put some rims on here, and then I'm gonna take off the spacers. I'm not gonna need them no more. Even though I did up my tire size, so I got 235s all around instead of 225, 55, 17. I got 235, 55, 17. So yeah. Oh, where am I going? Exit 2. Oh, this car about to hit me too. Hope I'm going the right way. Yeah. But yeah, y'all, so I'm going for a beefy look. A beefy staggered, not staggered, but a beefy just chunky, and like I want it to just sit perfect, not too high, not too low, just sit perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and tap in y'all when I get there, and yeah, let's get straight to it. And by the way, y'all, we have a lot of I'm trying to get these downshifts out the way. Sorry, Acura. Cut you off a little bit. I won't go first. But yeah, y'all, by the way, we do have a lot of parts coming in. Oh, no. Sorry, scratch that. We do have a lot of parts in the mail at my house waiting to get put on. You feel me? I'm not going to tell y'all what it is, but we have like about 5 different parts. About 5. Probably more. Now, I probably should have brought one more extra part with me right now, but fuck it. I guess I'm gonna just do that shit my damn self. But yeah, y'all, insane work. Insane. I'm very excited. I hope you guys are just excited as me. Cause for real, I was thinking about it, and if it wasn't for this YouTube shit, like my car would still be hard, but I wouldn't be doing everything that I'm doing for real. And I was thinking about it, like I'm a true car nigga. Like I'm a real deal car nigga. Like, oh my gosh. T8 Oof. But shit, as I was saying, I'm a real deal car nigga, like. So like, I was thinking about it. I'm like, why the fuck aren't I doing as much thing as I can do to my car? You feel me? Like, I'm gonna grow up and get older and be like, damn, I had a G and I ain't even really, you feel me, max out the potential that I could have maxed out. That's what I was thinking. I'm like, you know what, let me just go ahead and, you feel me? Just go ahead and, yeah, let's go ahead and just go crazy for a little bit. Downshift sound too good. Which I'm like, let me just go ahead and just, you feel me, act a little crazy look real quick, you feel me? Do what the hell I want to do with my car. Spend a couple bannies on it, motherfucker, even though I already spent like, yeah, I'm just rambling on, but I made a video last year in October, G37 modelless, put it right here, boom. I think that video, I went over everything that I'd done to that car, or to this car since then. And it's been a year since then now, a year some change since then. And I think that video, I racked it up, I think it was 25, maybe 3 bands. If y'all curious about that video, go watch it. Cause it really show you guys everything, every little thing that I done to this car. But yeah, y'all should go definitely watch that. But yeah, I spent like 3 bandies for something. Or I put 3 bandies into the car or some shit like that. And it's crazy cause like, I'm about to put another, like, you feel me? I'm about to put damn, I keep stuttering. I'm about to put like another 2 to 3 more bandies. I already put like all them parts at my house. I don't even want to say how much that motherfucker is. But yeah, bro, because I'm not trying to give y'all no clues or ideas on what I got. You feel me? But yeah, this is definitely on the list. Coilovers, check mark. Like I said, shout out to MAXpeeding and Max Speeds. And shout out to them. For real. But yeah, we about to be there in 3 minutes. And yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get there. Peace. Yes, sir, y'all. Yes, sir. Hey, want my camera for y'all real quick. Want this motherfucker out for y'all real quick. The G looking good. If y'all haven't realized, I took off my steering wheel cover. Shit was getting old. I kind of like the feel of this anyway. This is way skinnier, way more sporty. Probably should get a steering wheel cover on the. We got Nissan getting that shit right. Yeah, no cap. The fuck? What the fuck? My baby look right, y'all. Baby look too right. Hey y'all, this is his car and shit. That shit, oh, he got the single exit too on that motherfucker. Dang y'all. I ain't even peeped this when we walked in. I was, oh shit, I hit the fucking oil shit. I ain't even peeped, it's hard. I ain't gonna get my tag. Like I told y'all, I was gonna show y'all, shout out MAXpeedingRODS. Y'all see the coilovers that they sent. Yeah. Yes, sir. Got my baby already in the air. Gotta get shit right. Yeah, hopefully she sit back down. Got this loose.
What size is the these little little sway ladies? Like fucking 19?
These out. Get them intake right there.
Spinning. This is the part where I gotta blind guess it because I don't fucking measure.
Hey y'all, so we in with the out for the original shit. He already took it out for real, bro.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Damn.
Already took it out on both sides on the front. Right there. Take that bitch out the hole. Oh, that counts.
One.
The threads?
One.
Oh wow, yeah, you gotta count the threads.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's like natural.
I was thinking 2 inches in the front Cause my front sits higher than my back. About. These are the old ones right here. They don't come with the brake line holder, as y'all see. These are the holders for the brake lines. And then that one. Hey y'all, they in there. They are in there, ready to go. Yes sir. Just don't know how it's gonna look yet or when you drive it. Damn. 5, 9. Yes sir, y'all. And with the new shit. Yeah.
Welcome to Janky Automotive, you feel me? We fix cars that are fucked up. Say no.
Real shit. My shit is fucked up. I'll see this fat ass dent right here.
Oh my God!
God, plunge that shit. Hey, bro.
Yeah, I seen that shit. He was sliding and shit.
Yeah, I was.
He hit a spectator. He smacked his ass.
And GTA, of course, GTA. And GTA. About to see how it's gonna look with the spacer on there. Yeah, that's perfect.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
That's perfect, bro. When it dry, yeah.
You gonna have to go skinny your tires though.
That's what I'm thinking too.
For sure.
225.
No, well, what are these?
235. Yo, you got the stars in the roof. Damn. That's hard as shit.
2 days later.
Oh, that bitch look crazy. Like how you got that shit parked up, bro. Appreciate you, bro.
You know
Appreciate you. Oh, that bitch sit nice. Oh my goodness. That shit stick out perfectly. Yeah. Damn, and it don't rub at all. But I was thinking
earlier,
it
was rubbing like shit.
It was rubbing like shit
at first, cause that shit was like on
like
there.
that. Okay, on there. That bitch crazy, bro. I was thinking I'm gonna sit in the car. It's gonna drop down a little bit, but fuck it.
Shit, hopping there right now.
Let's see. Yeah,
Let me get you. Let me get you. Get the.
That could be crazy, bro. That shit's perfect. Oh yeah.
What you think?
I like this motherfucker. That shit's low, bro. Thanks to MAXpeedRODS, bro.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I like that shit, bro. Bro, that shit sit good.
Right?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Why that shit sit so good, bro? Y'all see the fitment on this? Oh my God, the best fitment G, man, in town. Damn. But yeah, I don't know. That should be shaking. I don't know what it is.
You might have to.
I don't know. What you
brakes again?
What you think? The brakes again?
Cause
I just changed the rotors. I was thinking, bro, I gotta be low on speed bumps and shit too.
Hell yeah, you gotta be careful, bro. With how you drive and shit, you gonna have to change it up.
I like how it's like I can tell it down a whole inch for real, or 2.
Like she down for real.
Y'all see the box right here? Shout out MAXpeedRODS. You know what I mean? Shout out to them. Link in the bio. 10% off. Code STINO.
You got your own code?
Yeah, I got my own
Look
code,
at him,
man.
yeah.
Yeah, that shit's smooth. Ain't that alignment perfect, y'all? It's not going nowhere. Appreciate you again, bro.
You know I got you, bro.
Real shit. Even though y'all see what happened with mishaps and shit. With
Feel
the
me? It's
bushing
all part of the game.
Yeah, the bushing, the knuckle, the fucking what?
It was mainly the bushing, to be honest.
And the sleeve.
The sleeve, yeah, the sleeve. But that's pretty much, yeah. That fucking sleeve. Yo, that shit came out easily, surprisingly, in the morning.
For real. That's you calling me.
How the fuck is that?
Oh, it's someone on a dirt bike hitting the wheel. You got to record him. Shit, y'all. We in Baltimore. Y'all already know. Just on a roll with it by himself, solo dolo. Still drag. Seeing him in the back. I'm seeing him in the back. I'm like, what the fuck?
They got the baby quads right there.
Oh, they got. Oh, that's crazy as shit. Yeah, though, y'all. Go ahead and end out the video soon. My next video is going to be a review on them. I'm gonna really hit the back roads and shit for real.
Shit, let me know. I'll pop out. I'll pop out.
With the back roads and shit.
Back roads with the Z and the G.
Just go ahead.
I'm not happy
And a lot more mods coming soon. I'm ready to go to the muffler shop, y'all. Tomorrow. Yeah. I already told you.
Okay.
But like, yeah, I'm gonna cut the video off to tell you again.
Okay.
Forgot. So bad. Appreciate you to you, Jay.
You know
if y'all want anything done, go ahead and talk to him. Go ahead and talk to him.
You feel me? Janky coupe the jankiest of them all. Say that. But you feel me? Any automotive needs, you feel me? Anything, alignment, suspension work, maintenance, come get at me.
Oh shit.
Best prices, you feel me? Best work too. Come fuck with me.
Come fuck with him.
Fuck with me.
I'm gonna go ahead and put his ad shit all right here. And yeah, holla at y'all.